Namaskar and welcome to the introduction of this course titled Principles of Construction Management. My name is Sudhir Misra and I teach at the Department of Civil Engineering at IIT Kanpur. We often see large construction projects going around in our neighborhood. It could be the metro construction, it could be a construction of a power plant, it could be construction of roads and whatnot. When we see some of these construction projects being executed, some of us, especially civil engineers, should pause to think as to what goes on in managing those projects. Construction project management now has so many stakeholders if you just pause to think. There are the clients who are the owners of that facility. There is a consultant or a designer who does the design of that facility. There is a contractor who actually carries out the construction work. And then there is the user, and there are financial institutions from where the funding for these projects often comes. All these people have their own way of looking at a construction project. A completely different view of a construction project in the modern day is the fact that it is not a civil engineering project alone. There are mechanical engineers, there are electrical engineers, there are instrumentation engineers, computer scientists. Everyone is involved in one or the other aspect of a large construction project. So now in this course, through different modules, ranging from about 3 lectures to 4 lectures of about half an hour each, we will go through different aspects of managing a large construction project. That would include issues like estimation, where we would try to understand how do we make an initial estimate and then finally a more detailed estimate of the funds required. We'll go through some exercises and discussion on planning and scheduling of activities where we would try to see what kind of resources are required for that construction project, when they are required. Can we try to reduce the duration of the project by increasing one resource or the other at a certain point in time? We would also try to understand the issue of economics as far as it is relevant to construction project management. There are equipments to be bought and construction companies need to make heavy investment in those equipments, whether they should buy them or rent them, and how do we make decisions based on the value of the equipment at cost, what are the kind of consumables or the operating expenses that are required for an equipment, and so on. And of course, once we are dealing with different parties being involved in any venture together, like I said, there are different stakeholders. These stakeholders are at the end of it bound to each other and with each other by a contract. And therefore, there are legal aspects of construction which a project manager should know. So basically what we will do in this course is to go through different aspects or facets of activities or areas which a project manager must be aware of. So rather than learning everything on job, this will be an attempt to put these things together in small modules where we'll give you a bird's eye view of some of these issues and hope that you will become a successful construction project manager. Thank you.